Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Yes, ultimate miracle. Double open mouth. You see, it is bottom and top. It is double open, double tail conch. Like this formation, you can never see in the Indian Ocean Puja conch. And another miracle, so you can see a clear formation of clear natural Lord Shiva third eye. See clear natural Lord Shiva third eye. You can see the iris, pupil, and sclera. The white color, black eye, clear formation of third eye of Lord Shiva. It is unbelievable. And such opening you can never see in the Indian Ocean Puja conch. This is the ultimate miracle. Double open mouth Indian Ocean Puja conch. You see it's a regular conch. See the difference. See it having double open mouth, the single open mouth. It's a double tail, top and bottom tail. It's a single tail only, bottom tail. So on a comparison, you can see the unique formation. It's a unique formation and very clear third eye of Lord Shiva. See? You can see clear third eye of Lord Shiva in a black outer white and clear shape of third eye of Lord Shiva. So having this conch with you, you will be ultimate blessings of Lord Shiva. You will get ultimate blessings of Lord Shiva. See, here you can see the Lord Shiva face also. You can see the eye, nose, Lord Shiva face here. Ultimately miracle conch. Double open mouth, tail of Lord Shiva, clear tail of Lord Shiva, Indian Ocean Puja conch, extremely powerful. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.